Want amazing soft and silky hair? Please continue to watch. I'll be reviewing this amazing keratin infused shampoo and conditioner that I've received from Nutree. So this is the Amazonless Pro-Keratin Anti-Shine Hair. This is the Amazonless Anti-Frizz Conditioner, Amazonless Pro-Keratin Gel Anti-Frizz Shampoo. So this is the Nutree shampoo. And then this is the consistency. It smells really nice. It's infused with coconut water, a blend of excellent moisturizing properties. This is the texture of the shampoo. And don't massage into the ends. Nutree Amazonless Pro-Keratin Gel Conditioner. I will be leaving on my hair for about 20 minutes. And that's the texture of the conditioner. I'm just going to massage it through my hair. The conditioner feels very rich, very light, but yet very hydrating on the hair. Now that I've had the conditioner on for about 20 minutes, 20 to 40 minutes now, I will rinse this off. I will now blow dry my hair on a warm and a cool setting. My hair feels really healthy after using Nutree Amazonless Keratin Gel. I will set this at 380 degrees to 450 degrees, but if you have fine or thin hair, you can set it at a lower temperature. Look how nice and shiny the shampoo has made my hair. Really nice and shiny. So far, I'm very happy with the results. My hair has really smoothened and the frizz has really decreased for my hair. I absolutely love the Nutree shampoo and conditioner.